Good morning, student. How are you? Hope you all are safe at your home. So, dear student, yesterday we have done my body lesson 1 and we are in our revisions. So, yesterday we have discussed about digestive system and the part of digestive system, that is mouth, then set of teeth, type of teeth, then how to take care of your teeth. Now, today we will discuss about tongue. So before discussed about tongue, here is one very important steps to brush your teeth. You can see these steps and follow whenever you are brushing your teeth. Then after that there is do you know, and it is if sugar and bacteria are left on the teeth for long, they can cause tooth decay. Getting my point? If you are not brushing your teeth properly and the sugar and bacteria left it on your teeth, then tooth decay start. The white outer covering of the teeth is called enamel. What is the name of the white outer covering of the teeth? Enamel. It is very important internal question. This is the hardest substance in the human body. Again there is internal questions ki what is the name of the hardest substance in human body? What is the name? Enamel. The white covering of the teeth, enamel. So dear student, I am also discussing the internal question related to this chapter, and today we are going to discuss about tongue. Okay, tongue is a soft movable part inside our mouth. If you want to see your tongue, stand in front of mirror and you can judge what is your tongue, that is soft or hard, movable or immovable. These things you can check by yourself. It is used for tasting, licking and speaking. What is the function of tongue? It is used for, again there is internal question related with this part. What is the function of tongue? Tongue is used for speaking, licking and tasting. It also pushes the food into the food pipe in the time of swallowing. When you are chewing the food and when you are going to swallow that bowl, then your tongue pull your that bowl inside your stomach. Again there is do you know, the back of the tongue is sensitive to bitter taste. After that you can see the sides are sensitive to sour and salty taste. Tips of the tongue pick up sweet taste. Yesterday we have discussed that. Here is your tongue and you can see the taste word in front. It is sweet. You can judge your own tongue. Salty, sour and in the last bitter. Okay, it is bitter. Now, along with the teeth and tongue, there are 3 pair of salivary glands present in the mouth. These glands secrete saliva. Again there is question, and that question is also present in your fill up. Saliva is secreted by salivary gland. Very easy. Salivary gland. Digestion of food begin when we put the food in our mouth. Where does digestion start? Digestion start in the mouth. Again, tooth help in breaking the food into smaller pieces and chewing it. Here the saliva get mixed with the food and make it soft. Saliva convert insoluble starch into soluble starch. Again there is internal question, what is the function of saliva? What is the function of saliva? Saliva convert insoluble starch into soluble sugar. You must have noticed that when you chew the chapati for a longer time, it start tasting a little sweet. This is due to the action of saliva on our food. It is very important to chew the food properly for proper digestion of food. Again there is question, why it is important to chew the food properly? It is important to chew the food for making our digestion proper. For proper digestion of food, chewing of food is very important. Next is stomach. Okay. From the mouth, the food goes into the food pipe and enter the stomach. The stomach is a muscular bag-like organ. What is stomach? Is a muscular bag-like organ in the food, which food can be stored for a few hours. Means our stomach is a muscular bag-like organ in which food can be stored for a few hours. During this time, the food mixed with digestive juices secreted by the wall of the stomach. Now again, what does wall of stomach secrete? Digestive juices. The digestive juices are secreted by the wall of stomach. What happened in the stomach to the food? The food is partially digested here. This is also related with your exercise. Okay, what happened to the food in the stomach? In the stomach, partial digestion of food takes place. Yeah, the food is partially digested here. So student, today you will learn about tongue. Also learn internal question related to tongue, stomach, internal question related to stomach. I have discussed. Tomorrow we will read this. Okay. It is tomorrow we will read this. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.